Today I'm down at GV Motorcycles in Taunton to look at the all-new Royal Enfield 650 Super Meteor. This bike is a mid-range cruiser and it looks absolutely fantastic. At just under £7,000, honestly, I don't know what else you could ask for. Royal Enfield have not actually entered the cruiser market as such yet. They've had massive success with the Himalayan 350, so the 650 cruiser like this is a perfect option for them. You have an excellent LCD display coupled with an analog speedo. You've got some excellent switchgear. If we move to the back of the bike, we've got an 18-inch rear end with 150 rear section, so a slightly wider rear section than most of the other bikes. You've got twin exhausts, which are nice and chromed all throughout, and twin rear shocks as well. You also have pillion foot pegs and a pillion seat, although the pillion seat does look a little bit small. You've got forward-facing controls, obviously like you would with any cruiser, and I'm 6'6", and I fit this bike really well. My feet on the controls work really well. I've got excellent access to the gears, and the brake feels really good as well. The only thing I find is with my frame is that I am covering up the emblem, and my knee is actually attached to that, but that's not really the end of the world. Up front, you've got an LED light coupled with upside-down forks, single front disc. You've got a 19-inch wheel on the front. Overall, the bike feels really light under my big frame. The 650 engine is the same as in the other 650 models, with around 50 brake horsepower and about 43 Newton meters of torque. The bike is driven by a standard chain unit. There's different ranges on the bikes. You've got the Astral, and the Interstellar, and the Celestial. The Interstellar means you just get some slightly different colours, and the Celestial means you get the backrest with the screen as well for more touring options. The handlebars are really nice and wide. You've got some excellent switch gear. It feels really good under my thumbs, and overall the view feels really good. And you also have a centre stand as well, which is a nice feature on a bike like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, give me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC. Cheers.